Hi guys, it's Kristin with APOKREATIONS again. Still coming to you from a hotel in Germany. So I mixed up some of my EcoPore. It's 350 grams of powder and 116 grams of water. So I decided to use some of the orange. Okay, so these were the two molds that I got off of Amazon.de. I'm going to put this one aside. And let me pinch the ends here and give it a little squidgy-widgy. Okay. All right, so now I need, whoops. Okay, so I'm going to stick this in under here. And I'm going to put a little bit of the yellow in here. And you can't really see the yellow too much, but that's okay. I'm going to make a little bit more. Okay, so over poured that. Okay. Okay, still doesn't seem level to me, but I'm just gonna go with it. All right, I will see you guys when it's time to demold. Okay, so over poured that. Okay. Okay, still doesn't seem level to me, but I'm just gonna go with it. All right, I will see you guys when it's time to demold. Okay. That one I'm gonna hold off on, but I did manage to level this out for the most part. A little over pour. Oof, still wet. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Okay, now ooh, that's very pretty. And always be sure to turn your molds back in on themselves. Very pretty. All right, so I'm gonna let these dry and I'll be back when it is time to give them a wax. Okay, so I got some, I had to quick place an order from Amazon.de for some steampunk stuff because this video is part of the Friendship Express collab. Monthly we do themes, and this month it was steampunk. So I had to quick place an order because I didn't have an X-Acto knife and I didn't have anything steampunk. So I got this pack of UV DTF steampunk, and I decided on this beautiful orange tray, I'm going to put this motorcycle, and then on this crazy yellow coaster is gonna go the teddy bear. So let me just show you what other ones they have. So there's a cat and a flower, more flowers, more flowers. There's a balloon and a pair of, I don't know what they call, like goggles maybe. Got a cool looking owl, got a lady and a train and another lady and a super cool car, a hat with some goggles, the dude, another flower, typewriter, a butterfly, and a gorgeous purple flower. So I decided that it's going to be the teddy bear and the motorcycle. So unfortunately, the teddy bear has got a little bit extra, and I'm just really, really worried that I'm going to screw him up, right? Oh, Lord. So once I get this thing in there and tighten it, I am going to cut this off because I have no scissors. Believe it or not, no scissors. And I probably should like grab some from the office, but I haven't yet. So I'm hoping, okay, so I'm hoping that now, oh, let me carve off a little bit more. Okay. All right, so he should fit now. Oh, backing is sticking to everything, me included. All right, so let me get the backing off of him. And it came with this little spatula. Because Lord knows I don't have a squeegee. All right. I wish I had my bigger Let's Resin UV light. It would be so much easier. But yes, so this is part of the Friendship Express monthly collab. And it is hosted by Susie at Serendipity-Creations, Sally at All Aboard Resin Creations, Tina at Pours Resin with Love, and Amy at Resonating Art by Amy M. So this is my contribution to the Friendship Express. The playlist will be in the description below, so make sure that you go and watch all of the wonderful steampunk videos that everybody has done this month. Okay, while this is curing, I'm going to put this on here. Oops. Goodness. I'm having a heck of a time here. And I don't have any tape. Oh, Lord. There we go. Ugh. Okay. Ouch. Sorry, I poked my thumb the other day. Whoop. All right. Okay, so now that I've got that on there, let me throw some resin on here. This is so not even, I'm telling you. It is. I need to get like some silicone tools or something. Ouch. Okay, I'm going to cure this up, and then I will be back with you for the glamour shots.